It is Monday, the 30th of January. One more day in the first month of the year. And I thought I would review some upcoming classes, some that are brand new. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. I think we're sending out an email about it, but then I also wanted to give you a little teaser for the Last Resort and Spa, which is at the end of the month on a Sunday, the 26th. So, first of all, we have a hat class starting this Wednesday, Hat in the Round. If you want to learn how to knit in the round on circular needles, join this class. It is Monday the 1st, and it is Wednesday the 1st and Wednesday the 15th from 10:30 to 12:30. Just call us, or I think you can sign up online. If not, call us and let us know that you want to be in that. And then there is a toe up sock class, all right? Learning how to knit socks from the toe up. Then you skip the heel, you do the gusset, then you go up and maybe you come back and do the heel. I'm not sure which way she's doing it. But it's a toe up sock class. Now here's how this works. Socks are usually two-hour classes, okay? So she has scheduled 4 2-hour classes. So if 2 consecutive classes aren't available for you, you pick any of the 4 classes, get 2 classes out of any of the 4, and you'll be good to go. So it doesn't matter where you fall, if you're starting on the 3rd class and finishing on the 4th or whatever it goes, if that makes sense to you. We're trying to make it easier for people to get their classes in. So it would be a 2-class schedule. And this first day is this Thursday, the 2nd, from 10:30 to 12:30. And then it moves to Friday, and same time, 10:30 to 12:30, but she's offering it Friday the 10th, Friday the 17th, and Friday the 24th. So of those 4 opportunities, just pick 2, all right, for your toe-up class. And then, this is exciting, Allison is back wanting to teach, which is so fun. She used to do a scarf class that had a million different patterns in it. Well, not really a million, but a few different patterns in it. This time she's found this Up Your Game Cowl by Melissa Liepman. Check it out. Oh my gosh. So you will be learning color work, right? Modular knitting, mosaic knitting, short rows. There's open work, so you're learning yarn overs, slip stitches, how to stripe, how to change colors, change yarns. This is a go-getter. Let me see if I missed anything. Anyway, texture stitching. This is a great, and it's so beautiful when you're done. So you need 3 skeins, 3 different colors of fingering weight yarn, and you will be off and running. She is offering that in a 3-class opportunity. It will be February 22nd from 10:30 to 12:30. And then you have 2 weeks or a week to knit, and then again on the 8th, and then you have a week to knit, and then again on the 22nd. Sign up for that class. It looks like a blast. The Up Your Game Cowl by Melissa Liepman. And last but not least, I've talked to you about this, the Last Resort and Spa, which is our all-day retreat on Sunday the 26th from 10 to 4. And we will have mimosas and donut holes, and we will have class and learn how to fix mistakes and anticipate them and how to plan and how to do things. So Allison has shown a sample. You will each knit a swatch with 3 cables. Now this cable has been taken out. So you'll knit a swatch with a left cable and 2 right cables, or 2 rights and a left, okay? So do you see how they're twisted in opposite ways? She will then teach you, so you'll come and there'll be 3 cables on your swatch. Then you're going to rip out 2 cables and take them from left to right. And she's going to show you how to do that without ripping out your whole sweater when you look and say, oh my gosh, it's going the wrong way. So this is a teaser, and this is going to be a very cool thing to learn how to do, okay? That's just one thing you're going to learn in Last Resort and Spa. You're also going to have something, either mindful meditation or yoga. You're going to have a shoulder massage. You're going to have lunch. You're going to get a discount when you shop that day. You're going to get a swag bag to die for. Why wouldn't you come? It'll be a blast. All right, and probably in the afternoon, we'll probably break out the wine. Who knows? It'll be fun. It'll be great. All right, so that is February and a few happening in March. So go to our website and check out these classes. If you don't see what you want, call us and we'll try and figure it out. I think Gladys is also working on a first sweater class, so that may not happen till March. We'll see. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you tomorrow.